My name is Laura Alessi DeLucia, and this is Anthony Alessi, Alessandra Alessi, and Paul Alessi. And we are the proud grandchildren of Tony Alessi Sr. On behalf of the entire Alessi family, we would like to thank you for being here today to celebrate a milestone in the history of our family business, Vigo Importing Company. We are certain you noticed our beautiful, newly completed, hand-painted mural on your way into the tent. It was created by the extremely talented Tampa muralist, J.P. Parra, and his lovely wife, Vanessa, and their team. The mural perfectly reflects moments of our company's history and has elements unique to both Tampa and Sicily. We are lucky to have our story captured so artistically. I'm not sure they've made it to the party yet, but why don't we go ahead and give them a round of applause anyway. We'll tell them about it. At this time, we would like to recognize some distinguished guests who are joining us today. Today, we have some county commissioners. We have Pat Kemp and Sandra Merman. If you could both please raise your hands. We would like to have a very special welcome to our District 6 County Commissioner, Pat Kemp. And it was her and her staff who helped make today a reality. Many, many thanks to you. Today we are gathered to celebrate our founder, our grandfather, Antonino Tony Alessi Sr. And at this time, I'm going to ask County Commissioner Pat Kemp to please come up here to the podium and present the proclamation that has been issued by the Board of County Commissioners.
Thank you so much. I am so honored to be among you here today. What a big whoops crowd. I don't want to lose my notes here, right? A blustery day in Tampa, a rare blustery day. So beautiful, and I saw that mural when I walked in. Oh, how breathtaking. I took fast pictures, best I could there. So thank you all for being here at this time. I'd like to ask Tony Alessi and Alfred Alessi to please come to the podium. Tony and Fred, on behalf of the Board of County Commissioners, I'm pleased to read the following proclamation. This is what it looks like. I'll present it in just a second here. Whereas Antonio Tony Alessi was born in San Baggio, Sicily on December 5th, 1905. What a lovely story. And immigrated to the United States with his family in 1912. And whereas Tampa was chosen as the family's new home because of the job opportunities offered by the booming cigar industry. And whereas at the age of 15, Mr. Alessi began his business career by working in a cigar factory in Tampa. And whereas 4 years later, Mr. Alessi was hired as a salesman for Swift & Company, a distributor of meats. Over an exemplary 22-year career there, gained vital insight and experience in the food industry. And whereas Mr. Alessi and his wife, Rosalie, driven by a desire to work with their family and provide better for them, saved their money, and in 1947 started the Central Provisions, a food business in the garage of their home on Armenia Avenue. And whereas now known as Vigo Importing Company, the family business today operated by 3 generations of the Alessi family, including sons Tony Jr. and Alfred, who have helped the company's sales growth and trademarks for Vigo and Alessi brands in 24 countries. That's amazing. I had no idea. And whereas the Vigo and Alessi campuses encompass 400,000 square feet of space in 11 buildings on both sides of Comanche Avenue in Tampa, And whereas, in honor of the founding father of the Vigo Importing Company, Hillsborough County is proud to rename Comanche Avenue as Tony Alessi Senior Avenue, solidifying Mr. Alessi's legacy as a prominent member of the community. Now, therefore be it proclaimed that the Board of County Commissioners of Hillsborough County, Florida, does hereby declare February 21st, 2020 as Alessi Family Business Day in Hillsborough County. We encourage all the residents of Hillsborough County to celebrate the many accomplishments of Tony Alessi Sr. and his family, who have achieved the American dream and are an inspiration to all entrepreneurs and residents. All signed by all 7 commissioners, including my fellow commissioner, Sandy Merman, and we are so pleased and honored to be with you today to present this. Okay. How to celebrate. This is a remarkable day for the Alessi family, honoring their founder, father, and grandfather, Tony Sr., but we should also highlight your contributions, Tony and Fred. You exemplify what it means to be hardworking, successful businessmen. Your work ethic, your integrity, your visionary prowess, and the appreciation of your employees are all characteristics that were inherent in your father and have been passed down to the 2 of you. Congratulations on this continuing his legacy, and may it carry on for many, many generations to come. And I will re-present.
On behalf of my brother and myself, I would like to say a few words. We're here to honor and celebrate the history of our company and the founder, Tony Alessi Sr. It is said that behind every good man is a good woman. And so we also include Rosalie Alessi, our mother, who stood by him and supported him in all things and in every way. Tony Sr. set the model for the company. It worked, and with God's blessing, it continued to be successful to this day. He always said, try to work with the best people possible. Good advice. The employees here at Vigo, both past and present, are the best. I would like to refer to the Vigo employees as the Vigo family. The products produced by Vigo family are a source of pride when seen in the grocery shelves. Good products, perfectly produced, and a value for the consumer. Everyone at Vigo, whoever you are, whatever you do, are part of the Vigo family, and altogether contribute to the success of the company. Tony Alessi Sr., the founder, would have been proud to see the Vigo family today. When you see the mural painted on the wall, you can be sure that each and every one of you in spirit are part of the mural. I would like to propose a toast to Tony Sr., Rosalie, and the Vigo family. Si me pueden soportar, lo voy a tratar de decir en español. En nombre de mi hermano Fred y de mí, me gustaría decir algunas palabras. Estamos aquí para honorar y celebrar la historia de nuestra empresa y el fundador Tony Alessi Sr. Se dice que detrás de cada buen hombre hay una buena mujer, por lo que también incluimos a Rosalie Alessi, nuestra madre, quien lo apoyó en todas las cosas, en todos los sentidos. Tony Singer estableció el modelo para la empresa, funcionó y con la bendición de Dios ha seguido siendo exitoso hasta el día de hoy. Él siempre decía, trata de trabajar con la mejor gente posible. Buen consejo. Los empleados aquí en Vigo, tanto en el pasado como en el presente, son los mejores. Me gustaría referirse a los empleados de Vigo como la familia Vigo. Los productos producidos por la familia Vigo son motivo de orgullo cuando se ven en las tiendas de los supermercados. Buenos productos perfectamente producidos y un valor para el consumidor. Como dicen en Cuba, bueno, bonito y barato. Quien quiera que seas y hagas lo que hagas, son parte de la familia Vigo y todos juntos contribuimos al éxito de la empresa. Tony Alessi Singer, el fundador, estaría orgulloso de ver a la familia Vigo hoy. Cuando vean el mural pintado en la pared, pueden estar seguros que todos y cada uno de ustedes en espíritu son parte del mural. Okay, ahora
Just a couple words as well, and then we will actually have the toast.
Thank you, and I just want to congratulate all the Alessi family, your contributions to the community, and that's why for my constituents in my district, I do a special You Make a Difference plaque. I don't think Tony knew the impact he was going to have when he came here and went into the food industry. And the jobs, I look at all these people out here that you've employed over the years, and I got to talk to some of them, and you have some very special employees that love you very much. So this is a You Make the Difference, and I wanted to present that to you and just tell you how special you are to this community.